to PPT Janix. So in today's video, we are going to learn the 3 ways by which we can add text in an image. So let's begin. So here I have this image. Make the exact copy of this image by pressing the Ctrl D key and let's place it aside. Okay. Now let's just select this image and then go to the insert option. Let's go to shapes, select rectangle and insert this rectangle exactly in the center. Okay, now select this image first, then the rectangle, and then in the merge shape option select subtract. Similarly, we are going to insert one more rectangle, okay, at the center only, okay, but to the other side like this. So first of all select the image, then the rectangle, and then subtract. And now we are going to join these two pieces together. Perfect. Now in the next step, let's just insert text box. Okay, and in this text box, write any text of your choice. So here I'm writing fine. Let's just select this text box and let's just increase the size. Select this text style to be the Arial black and increase the size like this and right aligned. Okay, perfect. And let's just take it a little bit upwards. Perfect. Now in the next step, let's just select this image first and then select the text box, and in the merge shape option select intersect. In the picture format option give it a picture border and let's to be white in color, and in the weight let's just give it yes. Now let's move to the second style. Okay, now here I have for the same picture original picture, and for the other I have just removed the background. Okay, now here the same way we have to insert the rectangle in the center and let's just remove the half part, okay, by subtract option. Similarly, insert rectangle shape, rectangle. Now we are going to insert it to the other half like this. We are going to subtract it. Done. And let's just place it on top of the previous one, very near to the previous one only. Okay, now what we have to do for the same image, we are going to make the exact copy 3 more times. So by pressing the Ctrl D key, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that we have 4 copies. Okay, and let's align all these pictures. Align center, align middle, and now place them like this. Perfect. Okay. Now in the next step, we are going to insert text box. Okay, let's just insert it over here, and here we are going to write letter, and let's just select the style to be the Arial black and then increase the size of the text. Okay, 115. Let's just shift it a little bit upwards. Press Ctrl D to make the exact copy. Place it below the previous one only. Okay, and instead of B, make it O. Alright, similarly make more copies. This time make it L and then T. Now in the next step, one by one we are going to select the image first. Then by pressing the Control key, select text box. And in the Merge Shapes option, select Intersect. Similarly, select the image, then the next text box, image, and select the next text box, then press Intersect again. So repeat this step for all the 4 text boxes. Lastly, intersect like this. Perfect. Now for all these text boxes, select them, go to the picture format, okay, and here in the line, let's give it a solid line, select the white color, and let's just increase the width by 2.75 points like this. And by pressing the Control key, select all the shapes together and press Control G to group them, and then place it wherever you want. Alright, done. Now the last style. Okay, this last style, the third style, is very amazing. I have learned it from one skill presentation only. Okay, so let's try it. So now in this, first of all, the same way we are going to insert the rectangle. So just insert rectangle. Okay, like this, we are going to insert. That's it. Now, in the next step, we are going to insert text box. Fine. In this text box, we will write brave. Okay, and here Arial black. Increase the size of the text for this, and let's just place it over here. Then make the exact copy of it by pressing the Control D key. Perfect. If it is required, you can just remove the space if you want. Okay. So for both of them, we can just increase the size of the text box. That's just perfect. Okay. Now press the Control D again. Place it exactly over here. Press Control D several times to make exact copy of the text. Okay. Now in the next step, we are going to select all the text boxes like this. Shift them a little bit upwards like this. Now by pressing the Control key, we are going to select the rectangle as well. In the Merge Shape option, now we are going to select Union. That's it. Okay. Now in the next step, we will go to the View option. In the View option, Slide Master. Alright. So here in this slide, we'll remove everything and we are going to insert the placeholder, that is picture. And let's just insert it over here. Now we are going to close this master view. We are going to make a copy of it by pressing the Ctrl C. Again go to View, Slide Master, press Ctrl V key. Okay. Now first select this picture text box and then the pasted image. And in the next option, we are going to select Intersect like this. Okay, so here we have a slide layout. So now we are going to close the master view. Now we are going to enter a new slide. In this new slide, we'll insert the picture. Okay, and here we will insert the same picture like this. Now if If you want, you can just increase the size or decrease the size as per your choice. And if it's required, you can just add more text.